Welcome to Home Decor Inspiration, the ultimate destination for all things interior design.
Living rooms with dining areas and open kitchens offer a seamless and versatile living space that encourages interaction, connectivity, and a sense of openness. This modern design concept embraces the idea of fluidity and connectivity, blurring the boundaries between different functional areas of the home to create a cohesive and inviting environment for everyday living and entertaining. At the heart of this design concept is the open floor plan, which eliminates traditional barriers such as walls and partitions to create a sense of flow and continuity between the living room, dining area, and kitchen. This open layout not only maximizes natural light and space but also fosters connectivity and communication between family members and guests, making it ideal for modern lifestyles centered around socializing and gathering. In a living room with a dining area and open kitchen, each space is carefully delineated yet seamlessly integrated to ensure functionality and practicality. The living room serves as a central gathering area for relaxation and entertainment, featuring comfortable seating arrangements, cozy rugs, and statement decor accents that create a warm and inviting ambience. Adjacent to the living room, the dining area provides a designated space for meals and gatherings, whether it's casual family dinners or formal dinner parties with friends. A dining table and chairs are positioned strategically to maximize space and accommodate seating for guests while allowing for easy access to the kitchen and living room. The open kitchen, located within close proximity to the dining area and living room, serves as the hub of culinary activity and social interaction. With its sleek and streamlined design, the open kitchen features modern appliances, ample storage, and functional workspaces that make meal preparation and entertaining a breeze. The absence of walls allows for seamless communication and interaction between the cook and guests, fostering a sense of connectivity and conviviality. In terms of decor and design, living rooms with dining areas and open kitchens often embrace a cohesive color palette and design aesthetic to create visual continuity throughout the space. Neutral tones such as whites, grays, and beiges create a sense of cohesion and harmony, while pops of color through accent pieces and artwork add personality and visual interest. Overall, living rooms with dining areas and open kitchens offer a contemporary and versatile living space that is conducive to modern living and entertaining. By embracing an open floor plan, cohesive design aesthetic, and functional layout, these spaces create a seamless and inviting environment that promotes connectivity, interaction, and a sense of togetherness for homeowners and guests alike.
In conclusion, interior design is an exciting field where creativity flourishes and spaces come alive. We hope this video has inspired you to recognize the transformative power of interior design and start your own creative endeavors. Whether you are an experienced designer or just starting to explore this fascinating world, there is always something new to learn and discover. If you liked this video and found it informative, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We appreciate your support and look forward to sharing even more exciting design ideas with you in the future. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and remember that through imagination and creativity, you have the ability to turn any space into a reflection of your unique style and personality. Happy design!